Hello friends. So this is my next video on the constellation called Eridanus. It's a mythical river which is flowing towards the north. So let me go to constellation of words to explain. So Eridanus. Eridanus was a purely mythical river of the north, which was later variously identified with Danube of Hungary. So it's actually a mythical river, a mystical river, but people think it's a real physical river. So they get confused with physical places in geographies of Northern Europe. They think it is Danube, but actually it's a mythical river. Fabled river stream flowing into the ocean from northwestern Europe, which flowed where the Baltic Sea is now. So that is not that river. According to the name Eridanus, seems to have been appellation to Phaeton, whose body fell into the river. The Padus, a river in Italy flowing from Alpine heights, arises from three sources. The name of one of the sources is Padus, which having spread out like a lake, sends the river from its lap. The Padus, a river in Italy flowing from Alpine heights. The name Phaeton comes from the Indo-European root word bha. Bha chakra or bhur bhuvasva. So Gayatri mantra. Bha actually means the sky, to shine. Beacon, beacon, boy, buoyant, berry. And this phaeton also is the root word for photon or light. An angle of light coming from above to the earth is a photon, which scientists call the messenger particle. An angel of light coming down from above is considered spiritually as a messenger of God. Phosphorus, photograph, phaeton, fantasy, pant, frogs pant, fancy pants. My son plays a game called Fancy Pants. Phantom menace, phase, phenomenon, emphatic, epiphany, the manifestation of divine being, sudden realization, the coming of Maggie to the infant Jesus, hierophant. So you can read this. Thank you. So this is the river which will take us to the North Pole.